Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes taskbar not working in Windows 11. First method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart Task. Second method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Type %local of data %, click OK. Any file folder named as tile data layer, delete it. Third method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Click Startup Apps, disable unwanted startup apps. Fourth method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Type CMD, check create this task with administrative privileges. Create new user with administrative privileges. Press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys. Click Switch User. Click Newly Created User. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.